Okay, so in this section, we will solve first two problems. Question number 1 and this question number 2. First question. In an arithmetic sequence, the first term is negative 2. The fourth term is 16. And the nth term is 11998. Find the common difference d and find second part, find the value of n. Let's start with the first part, A. What is given? First we will write down that. First term is minus 2. As we are aware about that, first term is denoted by u1. Fourth term is 16. So u stands for term. Fourth stands for u4 is equal to 16. And they have given nth term, that means un is equal to 11998. And they are asking to find the common difference, that is d. We are aware about that. To find out the common difference, I should know the second term minus previous term or third term minus second term. But here we know the first term, but we don't know second term. We know directly fourth term, and we cannot do fourth term minus first term. So we will use the u4 condition, which is 16, and find out the common difference. U stands for term, and we know that term formula is un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we will write u4 is equal to u1, which is minus 2, plus 4 minus 1 times d. But we know that fourth term is 16. So we will replace this 16 in place of u4 is equal to minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times d. To find out d, we need to isolate this term. So you need to take this minus 2 on this side. It becomes 16 plus 2 is equal to 3d. This becomes 18 is equal to 3d. Divide both sides by 3. So it becomes 18 over 3 is equal to 3d over 3, which is 6. So d is equal to 3. First part is completed. Second one, find the value of n. We know nth term is 11998. It's a huge number. From minus 2 to 11998, it's a time consuming process if I write down the sequence. So again, we need to use the same term formula. un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times d. We will use that un is given as 11998. u1 is given as minus 2. n minus 1, because we don't know n. And difference we know, which is what? 3, which we found out from A part. First you take this minus 2 on this side. So 11998 plus 2 is equal to, either you open the bracket or you can finally divide that. If you are not comfortable finally dividing this, open this bracket. So you need to multiply this. This becomes 3n minus 3. If you'll see, 11998 plus 2 is basically 12,000 is equal to 3n minus 3. To isolate n, we need to take minus 3 on this side. That will be added. 12,000 plus 3 is equal to 3n. So 3n is equal to 12003. Now divide both sides by 3 to get n value. 12003 divided by 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled. 3 1s 3, 3 4, 0 0 1. So your n term is 4001. So when 4001 term is basically your 11998. So your final to answer difference is 3 for A part and nth number term is 4001. Second, multiples of 3 from 3 to 3750 and found that addition of multiples of 3 from 3 to 3750 and found that 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus last number is 3750 is equal to S. Calculate the value of S. First you need to check that is it arithmetic sequence. How do you check? Always find out the difference. 6 minus 3, never do 3 minus 6. Next term minus previous term. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 3. Yes, first two difference is constant, so it's an arithmetic sequence. First write down what are the contents are given. U1 is equal to 3. Difference is 6 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 6 is also equal to 3. Now I know first term is 3, second term is 6, third term is 9, but I don't know which number of term is 3750. So we will write down that number is unknown. So again we will use nth term is 3750. Unless we don't know n, we cannot use any formula, either first or second. So we need to know which number of term is 3750. So do not jump directly to find out S. Find out the nth value. So again I am using the nth term formula, which is U1 plus n minus 1 times D, which is 3750, which is given here. U1 is 3 here. N we don't know as it is. Difference we know, that is 3. First you transfer this. 3750 minus 3 is equal to, again open this bracket if you are not comfortable by dividing finally. So that becomes 3n minus 3. 3750 minus 3 is 3747 is equal to 3n minus 3. Then you take 3 on this side. So 3747 plus 3 is equal to 3n. Calculate this value. it becomes 3750 is equal to 3n. Again divide both sides by 3. So 3750 divided by 3 is equal to 3n divided by 3, which gives me 3750 divided by 3. This is a calculator question, so you are allowed to use a calculator. It gives you the value 3750 divided by 3 is 1250. Now once I know this is my 1250 term, we will use the final formula which they are asking, which is what? S. S stands for summation. Now here we can see that your first term is 3, second term is 6, and we know the last number as well as we know which number of term is. So we will use the second formula, that is Sn is equal to n over 2 into bracket u1, that is first term, plus un, that is the last term. Now we know n is 1250, so S of 1250 is equal to 1250 divided by 2 times u1, which is 3, plus un, which is 3750. It is a big complicated problem, so you are allowed to use a calculator. First, 1250 divided by 2 is 625, and 3 plus 3750 is 3753. So final solution is 625 times 3753 is 2345625. So your final solution is equal to this one, and for that purpose you required n is this one. This is a total 6 mark question, and you need to show all the working because we need to show all the steps.